Did you know that Zadea is in the middle of the University Belt of the South here in Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna? Sa mga mag-i-invest or nakapag-invest na dito, tara, tignan natin kung gaano ba ka-accessible at gaano ka-convenient si Zadea from the University Belt or yung mga sikat na school or major schools dito sa area. This is me again, Jaire, your property geek, and nandito tayo sa one of the major amenities here in Zadea, yung modern gazebo nila. So, ibang perspective naman to, no? Kasi marami na akong na-cover about Zadea, pero gusto ko talagang makita nyo kung gaano kaaliwalas dito sa area. So, ang intention ng video na to, wala po akong ipapakitang unit or model unit, no, dito sa Zadea, kundi gusto kong i-highlight lang kung gaano kaganda, not just for end use, lalo na yung location niya for rental purposes. Lalo na pag nakikita nyo, uy, hindi lang for expat ang magre-rent dito kasi nasa gitna siya ng University Belt of the South. Ang maganda, you can make your unit as your dormitel. Hindi ka talaga mawawala ng potential rental market sa future. So, isa-isahin natin, no? From here, magpapakita kami kung gaano siya kalapit or ilang minutes siya by drive, no? From Zadea to different major schools here in the area. Number 1, the nearest university here in Zadea, walang iba, University of Santo Tomas, Laguna Campus. Based on Google Maps, this is just 5 minutes away from here. Of course, no, disclaimer po, pag rush hour or kapag napataon, no, na labasan sa mga galing sa office or uwian, lagi namang ganun, no, kahit saan naman kapag rush hour, medyo nagkakaroon ng traffic. But for this time, as we shoot, again, no, it's already 4:55 p.m. here, no, sa Philippines, 5 minutes away. See, University of Santo Tomas Laguna Campus dito kay Zadea. So this is a big, no, campus of Santa Rosa. This is twice the size of their campus in Manila. It's a 40-hectare development at ang ifo-focus nila is more on technology, no. Kaya ang kanilang building, no, is named after the founder of Jollibee, Dr. Tony Tan Cak Tiong. Ito yung magiging innovation center nila. Next one is De La Salle University Laguna Campus. So ang address ng De La Salle University dito sa Laguna is in Biñan. Pero wag po kayong maliligaw or malilito dahil nasa boundary lang siya ng Santa Rosa at Biñan. It happened to be na kung ano yung kinakatayuan, no, na lupa ng De La Salle University Laguna Campus, nahagip lang siya ng Biñan. Pero from Zadea, it's just 10 minutes away from here. And mind you, ang laki din ito. Ito ay magiging 54-hectare development ng De La Salle University Laguna Campus. And fun fact, hindi po nila to branch. This is an extension of their Taft Campus. Kaya meron silang mga programs na hindi na ino-offer sa Taft Campus dahil nilipat na nila dito sa Laguna Campus. Dahil technically, malapit naman talaga at very accessible naman talaga si Manila dito kay Metro Santa Rosa. Number 3, University of the East Santa Rosa Campus, which is just located kapitbahay na developer or township developer ni Greenfield City. It's in Eton City, no? At ito ay just 11 minutes away from here. Wala kang dadaan ng highway kasi meron ngang shortcut, no, from Greenfield City papunta kay Eton City where University of the East Santa Rosa Campus is located. Maaaring napanood nyo na sa iba, no? Pero napakadami kasing route or daan dito sa Metro Santa Rosa. Ito yung maganda kay development or kung paano nila minamaster plan yung buong Metro Santa Rosa kasi hindi ka maiipit sa isang daan lang. Marami silang ginagawa na mga routes, no, para for example, pag pumunta ako kay UE, ito yung isang daan, Route 1. Huwag ka mag-alala, may Route 2 pa, Route 3, Route 4. Yun ang maganda dito sa kanila para hindi nagkakaroon ng bottleneck sa iisang daan lamang. So again, 11 minutes away lang from here, no, dito kay Zadea, papunta kay University of the East, which is isa din sa magiging major campus nila, no. Malaki din, hindi lang ino-offer ang tertiary education, but pati ang basic education. Fourth, Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna, one of my favorite schools kasi po alumnus ako dito, no. This is where I graduated. Yes, hindi kayo nagkakamali ng dinig. Meron pong branch si Mapua University dito sa Laguna, which is located exactly in Cabuyao, Laguna. This is just 15 to 17 minutes away from here kay Zadea. Huwag kayong malito, no, kasi kahit na nagtawid tayo ng bayan or city, no, from Santa Rosa to Cabuyao, magkatabi lang sila and we're just one toll exit away from each other. Nangangapit bahay lang po kami sa South Luzon at malapit lang po si Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna sa Cabuyao City toll exit. Kaya kapitbahay lang talaga, no? Pwede nga kayong dumaan from Eton City exit. Isang lampas nyo lang, no? Katabing-katabi niya lang Kabuyao exit na agad siya. So ito ay ang specialty nila, of course, Mapua University. This is the major engineering school here in the area. At ang maganda, no, they are continuing to expand, no? Not just in engineering, but of course, no, in business. Meron na rin silang College of Health and Sciences na magkakaroon ng College of Nursing or program na nursing bukod sa existing na psychology and biology. And ito po yung very first aviation school here in the area. Baka po ulit malito. Alam ko po meron ng ino-offer, no, na related sa aviation si University of Perpetual Health System Laguna Campus. Isa pa nga rin palang major school yun dito, which is located in Biñan. Pero kasi itong ino-offer ni Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna, this is a bachelor's degree sa aviation. So I think it's aeronautical engineering. If I am correct, please check their website, no, mcl.edu.ph, para maging updated kayo sa admissions nila. Pero ito po, no, if may papasok sa anak nyo, no, na engineering ang gusto or more of into technology, architecture or something like that, perfect ang Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna. Let's move to other schools. Next one, St. Scholastica's College West Grove, which is located in South Forbes, Silang, Cavite. From Zadia, that is just 10 minutes away from here. So sa St. Scholastica College West Grove, no, hindi po sila nag-o-offer ng bachelor's degree programs, pero nag-o-offer sila from primary education to middle school. And I think it's still a girls' school, no, so bawal muna yung mga boys pa din, no, for this St. Scholastica's College West Grove, which is again located in South Forbes, Silang, Cavite. Next one, a Chinese school, Chiang Kai-shek College. Yes, we have Chiang Kai-shek College here in the area, exactly located in Silang, Cavite. This is just 15 minutes away here in Zadia. So isang straight lang po, no, Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road papunta ng Tagaytay, makakarating na kayo sa campus nila. Very fresh. I think it was just opened 2 years ago at primary school yung kinikater nila ngayon. And I hopefully, no, sa mga susunod na taon, makapag-offer na rin sila ng middle school or elementary and senior high school. Wag po kayo malilito. Jaire, akala ko ba malapit? Bakit ang dami mong sinasabing mga lugar, no, ng mga campuses outside Santa Rosa, Laguna? Again, magkakalapit lang po kasi sila, and minsan nasa boundary lang kasi yung mga schools and yung Santa Rosa. Parang Nuvali lang, no? Akala natin nasa Santa Rosa lang siya, pero kapag lumuob tayo, merong address ng subdivision na Calamba at Cabuyao. Let's go to the major schools in Nuvali, which is just a neighbor of Greenfield Development Corporation or Greenfield City Development. Miriam College, that's just 15 minutes away from here, dito kay Zadia. Ito po yung isa sa mga pioneering major school dito, no, sa Santa Rosa, which is si Miriam College Nuvali. Nag-o-offer sila from basic education to middle schools. So ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang school po dito sa area. So kapag preschool pa lang yung anak ninyo or yung elementary, if you want to have a quality education, Miriam College is one of the top-notch schools here in the area. And next one, another Chinese school here in Metro Santa Rosa, Xavier School Nuvali, which is just 12 minutes away dito kay Zadia. So if you are looking for a Chinese school, hindi ganun kalayuan, nasa loob ng Nuvali, malapit kay Zadia. Xavier School din, no, yung isa sa pinakamagandang option nyo, which is just again 12 minutes away from this condominium project. So hindi ko pa nabanggit yung ibang school, just like Everest International School, Ateneo Graduate School of Business na nandito lang sa Paseo de Santa Rosa, walking distance lang from here. Pero nakakatuwang isipin na ang laki ng potential rental market nitong ni Zadia. And of course, no, if hindi nyo naman ipaparent, marami din ako mga clients dito na, Jair, kapag nag-college yung anak ko, hindi naman kami titira dyan sa family. Pero nakakatuwa na may na-invest sila dito sa area, hindi na magdodorm yung anak nila dahil meron na silang unit na sarili dito sa Zadia. So I hope, no, itong quick video na to, you find it helpful, no, at mas na-familiarize pa kayo lalo na on how convenient Zadia is into the University Belt of the South, no? Lalo na ayaw nyo na sa Manila, yung crowded na feeling, lumilipat na talaga dito lahat ng major school dito sa Metro Santa Rosa. At ang gusto ko naman dito, there is a balance between nature and urban living. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok, and if you want to inquire at makahabol no sa mga promotion ng Tower 4, the newest building no of Zadia, pwede pa po, open na po ang second and third floor nila na nasa around 5 million pesos ang total contract price including other charges. Please do not hesitate to inquire through my iMessage, Viber, WhatsApp account and my Philippine mobile number. This is +6 3927 185 1590. My Facebook page, The Property Geek, you can directly message me on my personal Facebook account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Property Geek also. And again, I am contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin's Property Living section. Maraming salamat. This is Jaire, your Property Geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines, come home to the beautiful Santa Rosa.